Hello, my tech channel and my friends. This is MI Watch, and why I'm showing this to you. There are so many benefits also of this watch, but there's a very little and messy disadvantage. I'm showing you this watch, okay? And what are the feature of this watch? I will show you. This is an MI Band 4 watch. The benefits of this watch is this is a rechargeable watch. You can charge this watch by your phone adapter, and you will get the charge of this watch with this watch in the box. And you can change the strip of this watch also. And this is a very little and very smooth and very is tiny shape and very classical shape also, and very lightweight. And you can use this watch so many times, because analog watch can not be rechargeable. And that watch battery is discharged and change the battery. And that has the disadvantage of analog watch. But this advantage disadvantage of this watch is you can not wear this watch in the examination hall. If this ba- Yes, this is only one disadvantage of this watch. And there are so many features and so many advantages of this watch also. I have told you before, and now this time to show you some feature of this watch. And I am doing brightness more of this watch because you can see this clearly. 1 minute. Yes, now you can see this is a main font, okay? And this is a status, how steps you have run in a day. This you can see 2149 144 meter, how much calories you burn. And this is an idle alert. This you can see, this is this you can see this is idle alert is not too much set. After some time you go and walk for a day, walk for a time, only for a day. And there's one more feature of this. There's a heartbeat. If you take this to your hand pulse, then measure the heart rate by the heart rate. This you can see after 1 minute, this will calculate your heart calories per rpm. And now this is a turn on workout. If you go any workout type, as means cycling, walking, then calculate the whole routine of your workout. Then this will time, distance, this is all. And you can press some time, then you can close this app. This is a weather. You can connect this to your phone, then will tell everything. Notification will come on your phone, this will tell us here. Then this is a more feature. And the night time you can operate alarm, you can give to him. Then this will vibrate on the time. And music, that will can control of your phone by this watch, stopwatch, how much time you give, and timer also. And find device by your phone, silent can you do, band display, this some time of phone also you can by change by your phone. This is not a particular this font on the your screen. Now I turn. And this is a setting, brightness, you can lock screen also, can password also can password also emitted here. And screen timeout, how much time you will get and sleep. And you can reboot after factory reset. This is this after factory reset, your watch reset all, then you can now change and regulatory. This is a Euro, Russia, and that's all. This is all the feature of this watch. And thank you, and subscribe my tech channel. For this I give you some more advantage of this, and thank you. I will give you more videos, and subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.